Hi, my YouTube friends. My name is Natasha. My page is called Natasha Fitness Made Fun. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey, and hopefully I can be a part of your fitness journey. I love to create creative moves so you aren't bored. I have all kinds of classes from HIIT yoga tutorials, Pilates with lots of mobility and fun flows. I have tons of HIIT classes and circuit classes and all kinds of equipment-based and equipment-free classes. I have been teaching fitness for over 20 years. I am a mother of two and a wife that lives in the Bay Area, California. I just want to say thank you. I couldn't do this without your support. Please leave me comments when you take my classes so I know you are here. You can also always suggest classes. I'm happy to try and make those for you. Enjoy my content, share it with your friends, and thank you. I will see you on your mat. Happy New Year. Here's to making 2021 full of fitness, joy, love, health, and happiness.